That's like an. Yeah, that's being recorded.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.
Alex, you alright to come up?
Yeah?
We get stuck on this corner. Are you through?
Going through. Leg hit. Got me on the leg, just felt it.
Hit! Fuck that then. Go watch it.
I'm going to run through. Right.
Do you want to get to the stop?
Yeah.
Alright mate, tuck in.
That was me as well.
Right, I've covered the door's covered.
I got that boy there.
You have to watch the left side.
The shotgun downstairs on the side.
Still downstairs,
Yeah.
that's it.
We might need it.
Oh, yeah.
Grab it.
Nah, just do it down there. Go right down there.
Whoa.
Go around the corner.
Might sprint around the left.
I'm covering this one, I'm covering this one.
Hit! Just look, just down there.
There's someone there.
Yeah, go on.
there are people there.
Dead man coming out.
Hit!
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Go on, guys.
Guys,
You're going to flew it. Go in.
make a big push to that room.
Hit!
Dead man! Dead man, coming out!
Dead man out! Ah, let the dead man out!
What's your left of this thing? Let's see if I get someone.
Save it. You better go very dark now.
Don't mind. I'm taking, boys. Let's go. Can we start?
Yeah.
Good. Find out. Rush up. Stop and go. Sorry.
Mind your head, lads.
Watch the corner.
Which I'm gonna run.
Mine.
Don't watch out.
Chris, your doorway,
Sorry, Jack.
There's one there.
Yes, one
Mark,
more.
get in there. Mark, go.
One second.
Rush in there, rush in there.
Rush in there, go.
Spin!
Oh, this is where I need my tools.
Around.
Hit! You can stand over here, lad.
Hit!
Coming out.
Lovely. Hold that.
Yeah, this isn't the dark room yet.
Oh.
Rest of the light. It's not dark room yet. Just stand.
You're getting closer, I'll tell you that much.
Now I've had the time of my life. Oh, hey. Oh, right in the middle of the chorus.
Oh, done. See you later, move. Hits.
Someone's firing.
Dead player coming out! Dead player!
So dead player coming. Someone's around the corner. Straight around the corner.
Rushing. Suicide rushing, man. Alright, just go.
Guys, 3 of us push. They can't shoot 3 at once, can they?
Someone's straight around the corner.
Yeah, I know.
Jesus Christ!
Oh, don't want to be shot by my friggin' team.
Yeah,
he's dead. Never mind.
We got the right.
Yeah, there's... Hit! Dead man! Before you...
Big man, coming out. Stay low. No.
Just rush in there.
I've got the big P.
Cheers, guys.
What's that?
So I took one with me.
I'll take you all with me. That's a different angle.
Someone...
It's those ones.
Get him? Dead man!
Go, he's not the only one.
Oh wow, how do you want? I can't see shit. Anyone got a light? Okay. Give me a light, give me a light, give me a light. Go, Mark.
Go.
See?
I know it's getting my rifle for some reason. Wait, it might be skins on the left side.
Right, who's got a spare hand? You got flashlight, so that's a no.
Got a spare hand.
There you go. Use it wisely.
Use it wisely.
Skins on the far right!
Sin!
Fucking hell.
We shooting at each other? Apparently, I think we might have been.
Are we Americans now? Skins on straight!
This isn't Vietnam.
Oh, say, can you see?
Shut up!
Skins.
Let's do a friend.
Yeah, let's hide in the shadows.
I feel like a bald eagle.
Like a bald eagle having sex with a monster truck. Dead man coming out! Dead man! Skins on the right!
Too hot.
Skins on the right!
It's boiling.
In the little room, in the little room!
Skins on the right!
In the little room!
Skins on the right!
Who's got a light?
In the little room! They're ahead of me!
Skins of the light! Skins of
See
the
my
light!
torch? There's a guy in there! See my laser? There's a guy in there!
Roger that!
Clear?
We are the best at communication.
No, there's not Steve.
Very tactical.
Skins!
Cool, mate.
Skins!
Good!
Clear player! Whee!
Door
Right, let's get a couple of guns.